for this lecture that you have taken us through this field excursion. I'm very glad that first and foremost we had a very interesting model for training on climate change adaptation reporting, which happened indoors, and it couldn't have been complete if we did not have this extension into the field where the rubber meets the road, because this is where we have actions. And to start with, now we have a thorough understanding of what climate change is, its manifestations, its characteristics, and how we can take actions to respond to the adverse impacts of climate change. And as we learned, we looked at mitigation as being the first measure. We want to stop this rising greenhouse gas concentration in the atmosphere, and doing something to harvest the already existing carbon in the atmosphere and storing it in forms which make that gas unavailable in the atmosphere. And the Kakamega forest gives us a very unique and peculiar laboratory to demonstrate that. Why we are seeing a conserved area of a forest and not a tree plantation. Because a forest is a collection of vegetation, yes, including trees that are stratified at various levels of carbonatite, and with undergrowth comprising of various tree or plant species, demonstrating richness of biological diversity from a plant perspective. We are also seeing, therefore, conducive habitation for fauna, for the animal components within this particular conservancy, as well as the beneficial microorganisms in the soil. What this forest is doing, and that's why we are strengthening mitigation through a tree, is that it serves as a link between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. It's the only way that we can have moisture at the surface from a vegetated surface getting up into the atmosphere through evaporation from the soils and also transpiration through the what? The trees. Under an environment of rich energy from the sun, therefore, the issue of primary productivity of the tree, which we call photosynthesis, is very high.